Okay, so these are the tools that I use to take the screen off. This is a guitar pick, which you can use to go around the screen to pop the cover off. And this one I use to pry in here to get these hinge covers off. The hinge covers fit here on both sides. I just put the tool in there and pop them out. And then once you got that off, there's 4 screws. See, there's 4 screws there with the caps. Once you got that, this piece comes off like so. And then there is the screen. Got to take that screw out, those screws on both sides. So a total of 8 screws. Disconnect that.